Morning guys, we're in Wilmslow today on this Mercedes AMG. This is a nice smart repair, 3-stage pearl white. I'll just show you the job. So we've got some scuff in there. We've got a chunk out of the plastic. Mercedes white. Got a bit of a texture trim there. There's a bit of a mark on the exhaust which will polish out. But yeah, we're gonna get into this one. Alright guys, it's all repaired. We're gonna we'll give it a coat of plastic primer on the bare plastics. Now we're gonna put some Pro XL UV on it. Let's go. Alright guys, we've just repaired and blown in this textured lower trim here. Alright guys, we're all painted, just drying it off now with the lamps. Get it all nice and dry, give it a flat and a polish, and the job's done. Jobs are good in. Fresh outlook on that. And here we have the finished article guys. Customer's absolutely over the moon with it. She'd never used a smart repair before and she would definitely use one again. So just goes to show you that it's convenient, the quality of the jobs are excellent, and we're a lot cheaper. Thank you.